In this video, I'll detail how to access Control Center on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, you can easily access the Control Center just like the way you access your iPhone Control Center. The Apple Watch Series 9 Control Center contains some information similar to what you have on your iPhone. So if you're new to this video, if you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you want to access Control Center on Apple Watch Series 9, it doesn't matter whether you're using Watch OS 10 or you're using Watch OS 11. So the first thing to do to access the Control Center is make sure you type in your Apple Watch passcode to unlock the Apple Watch. Just go and type in the Apple Watch passcode. Then once the Apple Watch is unlocked, you should see the lock screen removed. Then the next one to do here is locate the side button here just beneath the histogram. This is the Control Center button on your Apple Watch Series 9, and this is the histogram. Then click on the Control Center button once to unlock the screen. Type in the passcode again if locked. Then press the Control Center once. Then you should have access to your Control Center information. See that? You can then use the histogram to scroll through the Control Center like this. Now to exit the Control Center, click on the side button once again. Then that is going to close the Control Center on your Apple Watch Series 9. Click on it again to open it, click on it again to close it. However, once you open the Control Center on your Apple Watch Series 9, you can just use the histogram to scroll down. Click on the edit button and then remove or add to Control Center on your Apple Watch Series 9. And once you're done, tap the done button. So that is how you can easily access Control Center on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.